Hi, I am Suman Thakur, Technical Application Engineer at Sennheiser India. Today we are going to start an educational series in which we will be talking about various technical know-how centered around the application of wireless microphone and in-ear monitor system. To start with, in this video, we are going to talk about frequency coordination for coordinating unused frequencies for in-ear monitors in a multi-channel system. Specifically when you are short on time for technical setup before the live performance. Now I am going to demonstrate how to quickly coordinate frequencies for multi-channel in-ear monitor system without using any control software like wireless system manager. And to achieve this, you need to ensure all the IM transmitters are connected to a common gigabit network switch using Cat5e or Cat6 network cable. In this scenario, I have 8 channels of in-ear monitors, transmitters connected to the same gigabit type of switch. You should also consider that this process is equally applicable to both types of transmitter, Braid Series 2000 or Evolution Wireless G3 or G4. If you have all the connected in-ear monitor transmitters in the same frequency band, you need to perform this procedure only once. And with this, you can either configure up to 32 channels of series 2000 IM or up to 16 channels of Evolution G4 or G3 IM systems, depending upon the available frequencies on the venue in that frequency band. In case you have IM transmitters from different frequency bands, then you need to perform this procedure for each frequency band once. In case you also have wireless microphone receivers in your setup, connect them as well to the same network switch. But one most important point, and this will be noted, that in case you have mixed multi-channel system comprising of wireless microphones and in-ear monitors, then you must configure in-ear monitors first. Now let us start with this system, wherein I have 8 channels of series 2000 IM connect to a common gigabit network switch. Before performing this activity, please ensure that all the other microphone transmitters or any other IM transmitter which is not connected to the switch are switched off. Now pick any one IM transmitter. In this case, I will go with the very first IM transmitter and call AG setup menu on it by pressing the jog dial button twice. A message will appear on the display which says mute RF for connected devices. You must confirm by pressing the jog dial. This will deactivate the RF from all connected transmitters. Now you can see the transmitters in the same frequency range will switch to EG setup sync mode. And as there is no RF transmission, the combiners LEDs will also switch off as they light only when there is RF passing through the combiner. Now the next step is frequency scan through portable receiver. Switch on the portable receiver by turning jog dial in clockwise direction. To open the AG setup menu, press set button. Before performing frequency scan, you should first set the squelch level at the receiver because this influences the scan result. Keeping it at low, say 5 dB microvolt, will make it more sensitive. And in a congested RF environment, you may not be able to achieve desired number of frequencies. While on the other hand, keeping it at very high level, say 25 dB microvolt, this may result in reduced coverage area. I personally suggest setting a squelch level at 7 dB microvolt first and then scan the venue for frequencies. In case the scan result doesn't suit our demand for the required number of channels, then raise the squelch by additional 2 dB, that is at 9 dB microvolt, and then scan again. Now scroll through the menu to open AG setup and press the set button. This will open the menu item. From this menu item, select scan new list and press the set button to start the scan. Here, I would suggest holding the receiver high in the open and either taking a quick walk around the performance area or standing in the middle of the performance area. Now the frequency range of the receiver is getting scanned, which takes about a minute time. After the scan, the number of unused frequencies are displayed for every frequency bank. Usually, the first frequency bank having maximum number of free channels is displayed on the screen. But you can also select the frequency bank you wish by pressing up or down button. For now, I will leave as it is. Now hold this receiver in front of the transmitter's infrared interface. This action will transfer the scan results to the transmitter. Please be careful here, as you need not to press any button either on transmitter or receiver to sync the scan results to the transmitter. Now, the selected transmitter becomes the master transmitter. The display panels of other transmitter will display the message assign new frequency. Now start from the last connected transmitter and press the jog dial on all other transmitters to confirm to assign new frequencies like this. And this action will assign new frequencies to all the connected transmitters and finally assign the frequency to the master transmitter. This completes the multi-channel frequency setup for all the connected IM links. Finally, sync this portable IM receivers to their respective transmitters one by one. Now, you are all set and ready for the show. Stay tuned for our next educational video that will be focused on frequency coordination for digital 6000 wireless microphone without using any control software like Wireless System Manager. Thank you for watching this video.